Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube desktop application on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer using Microsoft Edge. Let's jump straight into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, head over to youtube.com. Note that I'm already logged into YouTube, so my homepage will not be empty. Yours may look slightly different if you're not signed in. When the YouTube homepage loads, take a look at the address bar at the top. On the right-hand side, just before the last bookmark icon, you may see an Install App icon. If you see it, that's exactly what we're looking for. Simply click on it, then choose Install. But wait, if you don't see that icon, no problem at all. Just follow these steps instead. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of Microsoft Edge. Go to More Tools, then click on Apps, and from there, click on Install YouTube to start the installation. A small pop-up will appear. Simply click Install. And just like that, YouTube is now installed on your Windows computer as a standalone desktop app. Pretty simple, right? Now, you'll be given a few options. You'll see Pin to Taskbar and Pin to Start, which are already checked by default. You can uncheck them if you want, but I'll leave them checked since that's exactly what I need. I'll also check Create Desktop Shortcut so I can have a YouTube icon on my desktop. Once you're done, click Allow. You'll then be asked if you want to pin YouTube to your taskbar. Click Yes to accept it. Great. Everything is now fully installed with all our shortcuts in place. Now let's close the app for a moment. If you check your desktop, you'll see a brand new YouTube icon. That means you can open YouTube anytime without launching your browser. You'll also notice it on the taskbar, which makes access even faster. And when you open the Start menu, YouTube is right there, quick and convenient. Let's open it. As you can see, the YouTube app opens immediately. It looks clean, fast, and exactly like the regular YouTube website, but now it runs like a real application. Now, if you ever want to uninstall it, here's how. Simply search for YouTube from the Start menu. When you find it, right-click on it and select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to confirm. You'll notice that the shortcuts pinned to the Start menu and taskbar have disappeared. Great. That tells us the app has been removed. Now, just right-click the desktop shortcut and delete it. And that's how to install and uninstall the YouTube desktop app using Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy tech tutorials, productivity tips, and office guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.